Hello and welcome. I am your teacher Ankit from Aanav Creations in the Digital Marketing Season 2. So, we are going to start a new lesson of the digital marketing. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Let's get started immediately. Welcome back friend. As you all know that we had starting the today's topic using goals to improve business performance as you seen in the thumbnails and titles. So let's get started. In this lesson, we will cover how setting and tracking specific goals can help you understand and improve business performance. You will also learn about key performance indicators and how these can be used to evaluate the effectiveness and processes most important to achieving your goals. Let's dive in. Key performance indicators or KPIs are quantifiable measurements used to focus attention on the metrics most important to meet business goals in the desired area. KPIs are also useful in helping a team understand how progress will be tracked and measured. There are many ways to construct KPIs, but they should be all measurable, practical, achievable, and provide direction. So, what does a KPI look like in the real world? Meet Gaurav. He said he owns a chain of fitness center called Fit Gym. He needs to make sure that he has enough customers to keep the business growing in the digital marketing world, of course. To do this, Gaurav wants to sign up at least 50 new members per gym in a month. This would be his goal. To help achieve this goal, Gaurav now needs to set KPIs that will measure the efforts his staff make towards meeting this target. Here are the KPIs Gaurav has identified for his sales staff based on actions that can help improve membership sign up rate. The sales team should reach out 20 prospective customers per day. Okay, so respond to all online queries on social media and email within 15 minutes of receiving them during working hours. Renew or upsell 8 existing gym memberships per month. Analyzing results against these KPIs will accurately assess which employees meet the expected standard and identify who needs additional sales training. When you consider your business or the business you work for, then remember that a KPI can be anything that gets you closer to achieving your goal, from sales calls to posts on social media, email list, sign-ups to customer satisfaction. Make sure you choose the KPI that best fits your needs. So how do you know about your KPI should be and how do you measure them? KPI should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time bound for you. By creating KPIs this way, you can ensure this will be clear and achievable to you. Try creating your own KPIs and see if you can answer the following. A. Is this KPI specific enough? B. Can it be measured? C. Can employees attain this? And D. How relevant is it to the wider business objective? You can also have one more option and last option. When is it due to be delivered or carried out in the digital marketing? An example KPI could be to increase sales figures by 25% to last year. This is both specific and measurable, and reviewing your previous sales figures will allow you to determine whether or not it's attainable. Increasing sales is the key for business growth, which would be an overall business objective, and comparing year on year makes it timely. Remember to evaluate both KPI results and the KPIs themselves on a regular basis and respond to the data accordingly. For example, if Gaurav's sales employees are struggling to meet the 15-minute average response KPI due to the volume of inquiries, perhaps he needs to consider increasing the number of staff per shift to meet the demand. This will ensure prospective customers remain happy when their inquiries are responded to quickly, as well as ensure his staff don't burn out. When it comes to setting goals and KPIs in your own business environment, ensure that they are specific, measurable, and attainable, relevant to you, and have the forward thinking to help you achieve your long term plan. Take some time to think about the KPIs you would set and how you could measure these to get closer to your goals. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Have a good day.